Introducing Shank Bypass for RhinoArtisan. Create fully customizable bypass shanks with complete control over every element of the design. Add as many profiles as your model requires and edit each one individually, or apply the same profile to all of them. Shape every profile using intuitive gumball controls, or fine-tune your design directly through the Parameters panel. Add and customize the bridge, then adapt your shank to follow its shape with precise control and fast gumball adjustments. Take your design further by adding gemstones and choosing the setting style that best fits your model, from channel and prong to scalloped settings. Refine the gemstone placement, adjust every parameter, and fine-tune the entire shank until everything comes together perfectly. When your design is ready, simply accept, and your fully customized bypass is complete.